Lending Club delivered record year-end results in February with a 7% sequential growth in revenue and a 27% growth in net interest income. This growth was driven by initiatives undertaken in prior years to improve efficiency, as well as the transformational business model changes with the acquisition. Lending Club expects their transformed business model and data and membership advantages to help drive more than $100 million in incremental earnings in 2022. This growth will be assisted by continued strong revenue and earnings growth from their loans held for investment. Lending Club is now positioned to generate continuing strong revenue and earnings growth through acquisitions and through initiatives undertaken in prior years to improve efficiency. These acquisitions will enable the bank to consolidate the personal, auto refinance and purchase finance loans onto one origination platform. Lending Club is also positioned to generate strong revenue and earnings growth through membership acquisition. This growth will be assisted by the bank's initiatives to grow membership through acquisition of new members and by increasing the number of members who are members for longer periods of time. The financial outlook for the first quarter of 2022 is positive, with net income up 7% and diluted earnings per share up 7%.